All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to remove negative items off of your Experian by first removing those old addresses. Follow me. You're going to go to Experian.com, log in, click on Reports and Scores, and then click on Credit Reports. Scroll down and click on any one of your accounts. Now that you picked one account, scroll down to dispute this account. Then you're going to go to this page right here and you're going to copy the 10-digit report number. You're going to go to this website right here. Then you're going to fill in the report number right here, fill in all the demographic information and click submit. This is the most important part. Pay attention. This address ID number 5315 is connected to this address. And if you go here to this collection, 5315 connected to this negative collection. So I want to delete this address. Once the address is deleted, then they can't verify this account.
It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. Fuck them.